Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Good day, I'm Cody Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for Monday, October 30. Women, youth and men farmers were given the opportunity to highlight key challenges being faced in the industry at a recent Roots and Tubers National Dialogue. The common issue highlighted by all was the inadequate availability of funding.
Much profitable, and we want these institutions to look at it as profitable as it is. It's no longer the dirty man work or the dirty hand work. It has gone so far from that. So we want for institutions. We can tailor loans to specific things. We're in the era where we need to be specific about stuff. So if we're going to look at youth, let us tailor the loans for the youth. So that this will encourage more youth to get involved and
During the function, women farmers specifically raised concern about the lack of training opportunities for them. That concern, however, was quickly squashed by past consultant agronomist at the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, Webster McPherson.
When you call the training, the farmers will turn out in sparse numbers, right? We have had several experiences where I've traveled from Kingston to, as I used to be based in Kingston, I used to travel to all over Jamaica to conduct training exercises. Sometimes it's a waste of time. The fact of the matter is that you turn up and they don't turn. I believe what has happened is that a lot of farmers believe that if you're not handing out some small tools or some agriculture inputs, seeds or fertilizers and that kind of thing, then nothing happening. And so when those things are happening, they turn out in droves.
Elite Diagnostic Limited is set to open its 4th branch in Montego Bay in 2024 after experiencing delays. The company had been focused on improving its current locations with the introduction of teleradiology services at its Old Hope Road branch, reducing the need for on-site radiologists. According to its annual report, it is also adopting alternative energy sources. Tenders for the provision of solar energy for its Old Hope Road branch were assessed and a selection was made in the 4th quarter. The report did not disclose which tender was chosen. Elite expects the shift to solar to cut utility expenses by at least 35%. Similar installations are planned for the Droxhall branch by the end of the year or early 2024. And as we wrap up, here's a financial tip for farmers.
The thing is that for suppliers, such for fertilizer and chemicals, seeds and all, like if you're producing in mass production and like say you need for example 10 bags of fertilizer, you don't have to go to the farm store. You can go directly to First and create an account and buy the fertilizer, whatever producing directly from them. So it will prevent you from paying the markup price that the farm store would have on it. So it will be way cheaper.
That's all for the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. I'm Cody Barrett.